What's up, everybody? My name is Vince, and the reason you clicked on this video is because you either are about to partake in some DIY projects or you've become an apprentice. Well, we got a list of tools that you're gonna wanna go and grab, and they're coming right up. So let's get right into it. You're an apprentice or you're a DIYer, the first thing you're going to want to get is a tape measure. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll cheap out. They'll be like, oh, I'm just a DIYer or I'm just an apprentice. But a tape measure is something that's going to come in handy probably for your entire life. So I say buy a good quality one. This list is going to be comprised of reasonably priced tools that are contractor grade, okay, that are going to last you a lifetime. Not going to be overly expensive, but with care, you probably will have a tool that will last you for the rest of your life. Maybe even a tool you can hand down to the next generation. As crazy as it sounds, I think this is an investment you're going to want to make. You're going to want to get a good 25-foot Fat Max tape measure. I've been using these for years. This is the 33725. Stanley Black & Decker Corporation makes this Fat Max tape measure. They don't have the bells and whistles of some of the other tape measures. This isn't magnetic, but it's a good quality tape measure. So it says here, the Stanley Fat Max 25-foot tape measure, extra tough and durable thanks to the industrial grade blade armor coating on the first 3 inches and a high impact ABS case. I think they could use a comma in there. Features and benefits. So it has 11 foot of blade standout. 1 1/4 inches wide, which is cool because it makes it easily readable. It's got that blade armor they were talking about. Mylar polyester film extends the entire blade length. High impact ABS case, which, this probably would survive falling off a roof. Top forward blade lock makes locking and unlocking easier. They need commas. 16 and 19.2 stud center marking simplify framing jobs. Cushion grip provides comfortable slip-resistant hold. Specially designed multi-catch hook grabs on top or bottom for versatility. 3 rivet corrosion resistant through 0 end hook for accurate measurements. I gotta tell you, depending on what time of the year, where you're shopping, sometimes you can find these 25-footers. You can find them on deal, $20 for one, sometimes $20 for two. Go check it out. This is one of the most important things as a DIYer or an apprentice you're going to want to grab. Let's move on. CP216 from the Swanson Corporation. They are the always sharp refillable carpenter's pencils. Writing instruments as a DIYer or apprentice are extremely important. And having a sharp pencil, not having to worry about pulling out your razor knife, sharpening the pencil, having it break off just when you think you have it sharp enough. You don't have to worry about that anymore. I've been using these pencils for years. I love them. It says the always sharp refillable carpenter pencils are very handy. The pencil never has to be sharpened. It always maintains its length and so won't get lost in your tool pouch. The lead will always last 5 times longer since there's no waste due to sharpening. Comes with extra leads here. You could see it. And you use the pencil. If the tip goes dull, boom, you pull out that lead, pop it in the back end. A new lead popped out. Very versatile, very handy. And it's always sharp. And that's why I love them. Number 3, you're going to want a good hammer. And quite frankly, if you're an apprentice, or you're a DIYer, I think you're going to want to spend the extra money for a steel-necked hammer. Why is that? Because a lot of times apprentices and DIYers, their hammer strikes are like lightning strikes. Never strikes twice in the same place. And what can happen is that you miss your target, and instead of hitting the fastener with the head, you hit it with the neck. If you have a wooden or fiberglass necked hammer, you could have an instance where the handle breaks off from the head. So I think that a good framing hammer with a steel neck would be great. S-Wing solid steel framing hammer, smooth, has a longer handle for more striking power. The head and handle are fully polished and forged in one piece. Our exclusive shock reduction grip is molded and on and offers the utmost in both comfort and durability while reducing vibration caused by impact. This is solid American steel. It's got a smooth face. There's 4 sizes, depending on what size it feels comfortable to you, and quite frankly, depending on the size of the fasteners you are nailing in. It's made in the USA. You can see there's the neck. This is the handle area. So it is all one piece. Pretty cool. Smooth face. You could get a milled face if you needed it. It all depends on what you're going to be doing with your hammer. Number 4, you're going to want a good multi-bit screwdriver. Why with a multi-bit? Because you're going to accomplish with this one tool a lot of different functions. Slotted, Phillips, small slotted, small Phillips, large Phillips, number 2. You're going to get all of those bits, even nut driver bits with this tool. That's why I like a good multi-bit screwdriver, especially for an apprentice or a DIYer. I have a bunch of these laying around the truck, in the house, in the shop. They're handy. That's why I got a whole bunch of them. This one in particular is sold by the Channel Lock Corporation. It's made in the USA. American-made drivers from Channel Lock mean business. They're the strongest, most durable drivers we make. They're specifically designed to take the rigors of everyday use and keep coming back for more. So a good multi-function, multi-bit screwdriver is essential in my opinion. Go out and grab one. Don't have to be this Channel Lock. Could be a different brand, but they are extremely useful. Moving on, number 5. You're going to want a good level. And quite frankly, this is another one of them items. You buy it once, it'll last you a lifetime. Why? Because it's Empire, it's true blue. That means it's warranted to be accurate. Limited lifetime warranty. I had an experience one time where my true blue level seemed to be not accurate. I called up Empire, said, listen, my true blue level is not accurate. Okay, what's your name? What's your address? We'll send another one out to you. Boom! This is something simple, but it will last you a lifetime. I would suggest, as a DIYer, or maybe even an apprentice, you get a 24-inch. Doesn't have to be magnetic. It could be non-magnetic. But why 24-inch? Why not 4 foot? I think as you progress, you might want to grab a 4 foot, but to start you out, a good 2 foot level. It slots right in between. It's bigger than a torpedo level, okay? But it's not as big as a 4 foot level. Over time, you might want to grow your collection of levels. You'll be able to get more done. But that 2 foot level is just versatile enough. If you needed to do some framing or hang some longer shelving, you could get it done. I would suggest the longer the length of material you're hanging, of course, go with the bigger level. But if you were looking to buy one level, 24 inches slots right in there because it's small enough to where you can hang pictures with it, but it's big enough to where you can plumb up a cabinet. It all depends on what you're going to be doing with it. But if you're going to buy one level, I would say go with a 24-incher. And I would say go with Empire's True Blue. I just like them. Had a good experience. And I'd like to tell my viewers stuff that is based on my own experience, not the experience of other people or what they heard or what they read online. I own these levels. They never let me down. And last but not least, we're giving you a bonus here. This is supposed to be top 5, but now we're giving you number 6, a good utility knife. And I love this Stanley utility knife. Why? Because it's never let me down. I own multiples of these knives. It has the Insta-Change. I know it only says it's got 2 stars here. I don't know what the deal is with it, but this is a made in America utility knife. You easily swap out these blades by fully extending the blade, then pressing the yellow button. Your blade pops out. You could either flip it around, put the fresh side on, or pop in a new blade. Changing blades is a breeze with the Insta-Change utility knife. Just press a button. No tools are needed. Plus, its sturdy and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and long-lasting durability. I've not had a problem with it. I don't know why it only has 2 stars, but I'm not even going to read them because I don't care because I've used it for years and years and years, and I've not had a problem. It says it has a lifetime limited warranty. I would feel confident in picking it up. And quite frankly, you can pick this utility knife up, made in America, a lot of places for under $10. So go get you one, 2 or 3. So with that, I hope you like our list. And if you do, make sure you smash that like button. Also, if you're not already, get subscribed. You're also going to want to smash that bell notification. Act like you are Ben Franklin on Independence Mall. Smash that bell like it's the Liberty Bell. Let all notifications in. Why? Because we do a lot of emergency tool deal videos where the tool deals might be an unbelievable bargain, but it only will last a matter of minutes. Never miss another tool deal ever again. Let all notifications in. I want to say I appreciate every single one of you being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Is it over? I know what you're thinking. The video can't be over yet. I mean, there's gotta be more, right, Vince? Well, there is more. We're gonna show you how you can win $500 worth of tools if you enter our contest by clicking the video over here. When you're done doing that, you can click the video down here for some more entertainment, or click the video up here. If you love our content, love our channel, and love our style, make sure you get subscribed over there. Everybody, have a great day.